Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the mirrors in your GMC or Chevy pickup truck. The process will be the same whether it's a 1500 or 2500, 3500, doesn't make any difference what the model is. The process is going to be the same. So let me get this camera turned around and I'll show you the mirrors that we're going to replace. Alright, so I'm going to replace this driver's side only because of this little piece that's missing out of it right here. This was actually my fault. I clipped the damn light pole over there the first day I brought it home, and I snapped a little piece off the mirror. I'm going to go show you the passenger side. Alright, now the passenger side's a little bit of a different story. Problem is right here. It's only held together with a little bit of electrical tape, and the tape really ain't even doing that great of a job. So I don't know what happened to this mirror, but I got some different mirrors from Pick and Pull, and we're gonna swap them out. All right, let's get to work. Alright, so to do this job, you're going to need a 10mm wrench, 10mm socket and ratchet,
and a helper to hold open the door.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this off, which it's just a little plastic clip holding it in. Then you're going to take this foam out of here. On the other side, there isn't any foam on that other side, so that won't be a problem. Just be careful to not rip it like I'm doing. And you got your bolts down in there. 2 on the bottom and 1 on the top. Now this is going to be kind of a pain in the ass for me to hold the camera and take these nuts off of these studs, so I'll bring it back after I'm done. Alright, so check this out. That one's on up there, that one's on there, and then that last one right there in the hardest spot, I dropped that thing down inside the door, got pissed off, and I had to walk away just for a little bit. But it's not a big deal because I got some work to do on the door anyway, and I got to take the door panel off to get to it. So I'll just get it then. But yeah, I mean it's on there strong enough to where it's not going to fly off if I drive down the road. But yeah, I definitely need to get that other nut on that stud. So let's go check out the other side and get that one put on the door on the other side. Alright, yeah, so you see, before we go to the other side, I just wanted to show you, the only thing that's moving is the mirror in this joint right here, just a little bit, but it's on there pretty strong. But yeah, it looks good on there. I was going to repaint these too, but I decided not to. I probably should have. Oh well. When I go to repaint the door, maybe I'll paint the mirror too. Alright. The other mirror's on. And I don't know if you can see in there, but yes, all the nuts are on the studs. This one actually went rather well. This door is the 2500 door that came on the truck. And there's a little bit more room inside the hole for the studs and nuts. But again, I probably should have painted this first, but oh well. It's not terrible. They're on, and they're not broke, so that's good. But anyway, on to the next project. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I know it's wasn't real clear on how I did it, but this really wasn't a how-to video. This was just me having to do it and taking you along with us. So but anyway, thanks for watching. We really do appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to this channel and you like these videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe and click that notification bell to get the notifications. And we'll see you in the next one.